any specific message that they're giving you?
There's a problem with your payment system.
Have you tried buying a different item?
Okay, I didn't try a different item.
Yeah, maybe try a different item. Maybe just try warming it up for a few more days.
What
What
were
do
you
you think?
trying to buy, if I may ask?
Just paper
That's
toilet.
very
I opened an eBay account, a brand new eBay account, a buyer account. I've been warming it up for like 2 weeks now. So 2 days ago, I decided to kind of like order an item on it.
Yeah.
So it actually has a different address. So I tried to place an order with my account with one of my credit cards.
Yeah.
That it wouldn't just go through.
Yeah,
You know.
I remember you were asking about this. So it's a different address on the account, but you added your own credit card, which has a different billing address, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, Caleb, how do you deal with that? Have you had that issue before?
No, I never ran into an issue of not being able to make a purchase like on a as a buyer account. Like no
Yeah.
real issues start for me, no real issues start until I try to sell something.
Yeah.
So I find that very interesting. I was trying to figure out why that may have
And
happened.
again, for you, the addresses don't match up, right? They don't have to match up. The first order doesn't have to go to like the order, like it doesn't all have, it's just the zip codes have to match up, right? Isn't that what it is?
Right, right,
Yeah.
right. So I never really had an issue with that because and I always just use I always just use a virtual card, right? I would just create a virtual card under the Relay Bank,
Virtual
and
gateway.
yeah, the zip code will just I just make sure the zip code match, and it's usually
So so Dozy said he tried a few other cards, right?
right.
Yeah, and all the same zip code within the same zip code.
Have you
It's
so
different
you've
address.
tried like a debit, maybe a virtual, another credit card, and they're all just not letting you buy it?
Yeah, I tried two credit cards and a debit card.
Oh, that's so fascinating.
Yeah.
Is there any specific message that they're giving you?
There's a problem with your payment system.
Have you tried buying a different item?
Okay, I didn't try a different item.
Yeah, maybe try a different item. Maybe just try warming it up for a few more days.
What
What
were
do
you
you think?
trying to buy, if I may ask?
Just paper toilet.
That's very
Not suspicious at all.
yeah, that's very normal.
Yeah.
It doesn't get as normal as that. So it doesn't get any more normal.
I, t-
Yeah.
I went after Caleb's advice. So buy toilet papers.
So you could definitely try what Jonathan just said. Try air
Exactly.
freshener,
Trash bag.
yeah, trash bag, air freshener. I mean the list goes on as far as like regular household stuff. So you could try something else and see
Uh,
what happened.
Okay.
If
Otherwise, yeah.
Go ahead, Jonathan.
Sorry, I was just gonna say like the big thing I'm thinking is just to build more cookies, just warm it up a bit more, scroll a bit more. I'm sure eventually they'll let it go through. What were you gonna say, Caleb?
Because those you said you were doing it on the phone, right?
Yeah, on an iPhone.
On an iPhone, and that number is not any. You haven't used that number.
No, it's a brand new number, a brand new phone.
Brand new, right? And then you're using the mobile data.
Yes, mobile data.
Huh. That's interesting.
I think they just don't trust you, and they can't
Is it
suspend
a
you
They don't
big
trust you
company
they
like a
suspend everybody.
T-Mobile or a Verizon, or is it one of those,
It's a
prepaid?
it's a prepaid T-Mobile card. SIM.
It's a
All right, well,
prepaid, but it's T-Mobile though, so I don't.
A prepaid T-Mobile SIM card.
It should be fine. Yeah.
Yeah, since T-Mobile is a major network.
Yeah. So I would try building more cookies and maybe try like every other day to buy something else, something innocent, you know. And if they're still giving you trouble, then let us
Were
know.
you using the app on that
Yes,
phone?
the app. The app.
You using the app?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you could try what Jonathan said, and see if you can do it on Safari. See,
Okay.
maybe I
Safari
missed
and
it.
try it.
Are you